Biscuit kavala. Biscuit.
Poka kavalra. Hi guys, it's been really long. It's been more than 6 days. We uploaded the last vlog.
It'll be 7 days by the time we upload the last video.
True. So the major problem was we sold our camera. We sold our.
I really didn't understand why was he looking so tall. Then I realized chappal pehen raha hai kutta sala. Okay.
So we sold our camera. We sold our laptop. So there was no platform to edit in. So lockdown thoda ease ho gaya, and good thing is that we got our laptop. We got the camera. जो secondary camera है, the camera which you are vlogging right now, वो भी बेचना है. Probably we're going to send it out tomorrow. So today
everything old is sold, everything new is almost in.
Yeah, we made.
I'm really hungry. I'm really sorry. I just came back from a flight. I know.
Okay.
After 64 days I flew, so I'm super happy.
I got the laptop and the camera in the morning, but this guy wasn't there, so that is the reason why even I did not open, I did not unbox them. So let's do it together. Let's see how the laptop and the camera look. We are going to. I'm sorry, talking too much. Please.
I'm hungry.
Okay, so we are going to.
Biscuit kavala. Biscuit.
Ingenni salra. Oops.
Katterundi. Juttu cutting cheyala.
Munne cut chesko.
Okay guys, again important thing. The laptop, the camera, whatever we're gonna show you is by our hard-earned money. No sponsorship, no jazz. It's just me spending my money, he's spending his money, and we becoming bankrupt at the end of the day.
Lockdown mein we did a lot of kharcha.
Lockdown or not? Lockdown ke baad.
For the camera and the laptop, we have taken advice from expert people. Camera to Sriman se पूछ के we have taken. Laptop, Adi, and I did bit of research for that. And
Me
it's
too,
not.
me too.
थोड़ा सा. Biscuit देख पो. Yeah, and all the gear has been purchased from iamastudent.com. iamastudent.com. The link will be down.
Not all. The laptop and the camera only. The others were purchased from
Again, from
Amazon.
our money. There's nothing being sponsored from any website here. We don't have any fancy blades kind of a thing. We're just going to unbox it with basic Garka scissors. Do it.
Seal break. Bye. Tight sealer है.
Dude. We got a 64 GB free memory card.
अब this is full size रहे.
SD cards.
हाँ.
Okay.
इसका ये चिपक भी गया इस पे. Are you serious? The 64 GB is stuck to that.
Wait, it's not focusing. Focus. Good.
The 64 GB is stuck to that. Memory card is here.
Charging adapter, cable, battery, USB charger, memory card, viewfinder, a strap, the main camera. That's it. Where's the lens? Lens
Lens is attached.
Okay, lens is attached. डर गया यार. Information. This is a Sony Alpha 6400 with where is it written यार? पीछे छुपा है, but it is a 1655 mm lens. Stuff. It's a mirrorless camera. Can shoot videos up to 4K. That's the resolution. Oh shit. It's a wait, focus. साइड्स में दिखाओ थोड़ा ऐसा साइड में. सर मॉडल कैसे पोज कर. हाँ, हैंड मॉडल. सो इट इज Sony Alpha 6400.
Boot.
Let's first booting. Failed. బేసిక్గా కెమెరాలో ఛార్జింగ్ లేదు. బొక్క పడ్డది. ప్లాన్ మొత్తం ఫ్లాప్. అండ్ దాన్ని ఛార్జింగ్ పెట్టి వెయిట్ చేసి ఓపిక I don't have the ఓపిక to wait. I mean, I don't have the energy to wait to wait for it to charge and then restart the vlog there. Let's continue the vlog in this camera itself. I guess it's not leaving us. अच्छी में ब्लेड चाहिए. Yeah. Two stickers. Watch and don't step on that. Doing something. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Ooh, this thing has that cool glow look. What is it? RBG colors or VibGR?
RGB.
VibGR. Looks cool, dude. I mean, it's big, it's huge, but I like the logo thing.
Yeah.
Is it like an eye? You feel it's like
It's an eye.
It's an eye.
What else is in the? Oh, freak! That's. Are you serious?
Are you serious? You need that 18 watt?
18 watt.
18 watt?
No.
डर गया इसके लिए चार्ज के लिए 18 watt लगा रहा बोले. It looks like an 18 watt.
Yeah. That is the reason why I said serious. That's it.
That's it.
And what else is there in this box?
Nothing else.
Nothing
Throw
else.
the box.
Throw the box. Okay, we'll move these aside.
Come.
Okay. Diggy da, diggy da da. Dun 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 dun.
Which is the right way up? Yeah, probably this side. Because it has that.
The fancy. Oh. Wow.
Okay, how many of you guys like unboxing stuff? If in my case, I really like unboxing. I really like opening dabbas.
Yeah, especially when it's this fancy, dude.
It gives me that excitement.
Dude, this feels so. Look at this.
Look at the.
Okay, first we need to. Okay, we felt. Okay. Okay, this is rubberized. Ever purchased a laptop, anything as expensive as this? This is costed as a bomb. I hope it's worth it. We still haven't revealed it, and Srijan wants to.
This laptop, the brand is from Asus, and it's an ROG laptop, which means Republic of Gamers. We are into gaming. We just started editing, and I also need this very same laptop for my AutoCAD, Revit, my construction softwares and all. So we are banging everything on this one laptop. That is the reason why both of us combined, we have taken one laptop. Yeah, this, what laptop is this? What is the name of this laptop? ROG, Asus ROG?
Zephyrus S.
Zephyrus S.
The name itself is Bhari.
Opens like this.
Oh. Okay, just close it and open it again. Oh, the laptop comes up. Oh, it's so cool.
It really comes up.
It really comes up on the unboxing part of it. Oh. Okay, guys, see this again. Oh.
By far, one of the best unboxing
Ever.
I'm not sure Apple can beat this.
Okay, keep this aside first.
Let's remove the laptop. Let's see what.
We haven't still opened the laptop.
Yeah, let's see
yet.
what's inside the box.
Oh,
Okay.
and that's it? That's it. Okay. This box has to be stored, guys. This box feels amazing, especially this portion is awesome. This is more plasticky, but this is rubber, literally.
I'm opening this.
Ooh, fancy.
There's a lot of paperwork. What is this?
This can go to the side.
What is this? What is this?
Dude. Metal earth, what? Complete the build and unleash the power of ROG by sharing an image of your recent ROG product along with whatever blah 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 blah.
$3D modeling kits. Metal Earth. Oh! This is a modeling kit. I mean, it's a 3D model of the logo of this.
Oh, open. Off camera, we were just talking about how good an unboxing this laptop has been. Oh my god, dude, what packing, what packaging. Agree?
Yeah, amazing. Totally agree. Okay, there are multiple papers in this. Again, it's the same thing. How to do the 3D thing.
Focus.
Yeah. So removing the eye. This is in 2D form right now. This is in 2D form right now. So this is the instruction manual.
Oh, so awesome.
Drugs. Okay. So there are instructions. We have to have tweezers and all to do this. There are very small,
Tiny parts,
Tiny
dude.
parts.
Oh, it's gonna be an assembly.
Will probably take 2 days, 3 days to do it. Assembly flow chart. And in the end, how does it look? It's going to look like this. It's going to look like this.
We'll try to finish this whenever possible, and then definitely do a video on that. Here it is. Fado. Wow. This is such a pleasing experience, guys. Jules. Oh my.
क्या हुआ?
Oh, fry.
Hold up. Start.
Oh, easy. Dude, this feels... There's no seam in between these two. Wow.
One. It's okay. This laptop is little weird. I mean, if you see it, if you just notice the keyboard layout position, and you'll immediately notice what's weird with this laptop. So back to the laptop. पूरे चौपट हो रहे हैं.
Nice, no? Weird, no?
Okay. The weird part is Zubi.
Keyboard is at the bottom, and this... Oh, hey, nice. This is where the cooling fans are for this laptop.
Cooling fans, speaker.
Speakers up top
So
here.
this is the mouse trackpad. This is like a superb, amazing gaming laptop. So
it's got... Look at the screen, guys. I don't know who of the computer geeks here are. The screen monitor is a 240 hertz
computer
processor.
geeks, I know what is 240 hertz.
Yeah, so it's a 3 millisecond response time. And it's a Pantone validated screen, so it has got the exact RGB colors. It's a Core i7.
We'll try to turn this laptop on. Hopefully ये काम चल जाए and the screen gets turned on. थोड़ा juice तो रहेगा इसमें. That's what I feel.
There's one more feature about this which I'd like to show you. इधर जाओ.
Okay.
Shoot. The laptop flap opens. Laptop rises for cooling.
Oh, I get it. Close it. Let's see. Let's try to turn it on. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Record. Ew. The keyboard. What? You saw that RGB lighting?
Yeah.
Behind it.
Okay. Ouch. I hurt myself, but come back and just look at this. Come back. Come back.
रात में पागल कैसे देखते व्हाट द हेल इज दिस बोल के.
Oh, look at the keyboard too.
And I guess we can tweak the keyboard
Yeah.
to have only one color.
Yeah,
right?
you can.
So the laptop is on now. We just have to do the set. Like we said, this was just an unboxing of all the stuff which we recently bought. I mean, आज ही खरीदे, आज ही आया. So we going to clean this thing up. पूरा यहाँ भी है.
पूरा कचरा.
And
मम्मी देखेगी तो मारेगी.
we have to set up the laptop right now. We have to install our editing software
And then edit this video and upload it by tomorrow.
edit this video. We have to install the editing software in the laptop, and we're going to edit it right now and upload the video tomorrow. It will be live tomorrow. And till then, peace,
Bye.
boys.
Next video, new camera.
Oh yeah, new camera.
And one more thing, huh?
We forgot to show you the camera back.
Even this was part of the package.
Yeah, free. Yeah. Bye guys, peace.
Love you.
జబ్బలు కనిపించేలా షర్ట్లు, తొడలు కనిపించేలా నిక్కర్లు, డీసెంట్గా ఉండరా.
Baba, నాకేం తెలీదు. I'm not involved in this. Me going.